Contractor Frisco. This is George from Dallas Epoxy Pros. I'm the webmaster here, and I wanted to let everybody know that we are now expanding and servicing the Frisco, Texas area. So I wanted to make sure that everyone had our number, which is 214-438-3818, 214-438-3818, and we do have a page on our website that details all of the services that we offer in Frisco. So we will be doing epoxy garage flooring, decorative concrete, all different sorts of coating, and as well as our core competencies, which are concrete contracting, which is polishing, grinding, sealing, decorative, and stamped concrete, really anything that you should need. So please feel free to give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you, and we're really excited about being in Frisco. Speak to you soon.